Hi, my name is Jonathan Sarine, and this is my project proposal for CIT 380 project management. And so I had this idea. I live on. I'll show you. I'm gonna share my screen, the map, to show the map. So this is where I live on Camino Island, and it's an island in the northwest part of Washington State. And this island, you can see, like, if you want to get to this island next to it, Whidbey Island, there's two routes you can take. Northern Point, right, which goes over Deception Pass, is hour and 56, about 2 hours. And if you go south, you got to go through some traffic there. That's Seattle, and you actually have to take a ferry, which can kind of make your time actually longer than this northernmost route. But it's kind of funny because the actual distance between these two places is what, 2.4 miles, maybe at the skinniest, but it doesn't really vary a lot. So really there's a need for an easier way to travel between the two islands. So I thought, as a project, it would kind of start out as a way to figure out how to solve this problem, whether that be like going through the local government to establish like some sort of boat that could go back and forth across. You'd have to find docking points on both islands, and you might have to hire workers to drive the boat, and of course do like surveys on like Facebook and just in public places, to find out what kind of public interest there is in that kind of a thing. I personally would use it a lot because I hate having to make that trip all the way around to get to that island, and I'm sure it's just not so much of a demand that the state government would put a ferry in that place just to get from this tiny little island from one place to another, So, but I do think it is worthy of some attention, and it could be a fun project to kind of try and solve out. It's got a lot of different aspects to it that would be great to involve ourselves in.